2013 Prius. The beep is working, but the steering switches, all these switches here and the switches over here is not working. Let me show you. So it's not working. It is the clock spring. Let me show you. Remove this cover and you'll see that pin over there. You gotta push it that way. Okay, that was good. And there is one on the other side, right over here. Let me see. And this one. Now I can check off this whole part, and the wires goes over here, and the clock spring is right behind that. So you have to take off this nut to get into it. Thank you so much.